Hi there, students. Evident, an adjective. Evidently, the adverb. We've also got this phrase self-evident as well. This word is related to evidence. Okay, if something is evident, it's easily seen, it's easily understood, it's not complicated. So I opened the fridge and there was this terrible smell, so it was evident that the food had gone off. Evidently, the food had gone off. Yes, his ability in English is evident for all to see. It's easy to see. It was evident that he loved her. It was evidently seen. It was easy to see. It was obvious. It was manifest. And then something that's self-evident is something that is evident, but it doesn't need any proof, any explanation. So, I guess with my example with the fridge, from the smell, it was self-evident that the food was off. I didn't need to do any more tests. Okay, so something that's self-evident is something that is obvious, that doesn't need to be proved. Okay, so evident. If something is evident, it's obvious, it's clear to see, it's easy to see. You can't miss it. It's as evident as the nose on your face. Yeah, it's something that you can see obviously. Okay, so you notice it easily. The marks of the burglar trying to break into the house were evident. Yeah. The increase in inflation is already evident on the high street, can be seen. Okay, so evident. This is evidently unjust. Very often as well, this phrase, an evident lack of. There was an evident lack of enthusiasm. Okay, clearly people weren't enthusiastic. Yeah, his evident enthusiasm for the project. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, it was evident, it was clear for everybody to see. So it's easily perceived, it's apparent, it's unmistakable, it's patent, it's obvious, it's clearly visible. Yeah, it's blatant, it's unmistakable, it's palpable, it's indisputable. And then self-evident, containing its own evidence or its own proof that this is true. So if something is self-evident, it proves itself without needing further demonstration or further existence. Yeah, it was but by the fact that they were so thin, it was clearly evident, or it was self-evident, that they didn't have enough to eat. Yeah, it was manifestly patent. It was obviously true. Yeah. Let's see. It is self-evident that we need air to survive. Try holding your breath for more than a couple of minutes. Yeah, so self-evident, something that's so clear it needs no proof. Yeah, the fact that you're watching this channel means it's self-evident you have a good level of English. Okay, so it's something that you can see clearly. Yeah, clear to your vision or to your understanding. If I give you some clues as to the answer will soon become evident, obvious, conspicuous, noticeable. Okay, so something that's evident is something that you can clearly see. It's not hidden, secret, obscure, difficult to see. It's self-evident. It's absolutely obvious. Okay. Formality, evident, self-evident. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use anywhere. So if I give it a 5, evidently you can use it anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin evidentia. Yeah. Okay. Meaning evidence, providing evidence. Okay, so yeah, if something gives you evidence, then it's evident, it's clear, it's obviously true. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you do, it will be evident that you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Evident, evidently, self-evident.